Are you tired of managing multiple apps? Simplify your life by automating tedious tasks and focusing on what's important with KrispCall and Zapier integration. Zapier automates tasks by connecting thousands of apps with KrispCall using simple zaps without any need for coding. So let's explore how to connect KrispCall with everyday apps you use using Zapier. First, log into the KrispCall web app and go to Settings, go to Integrations and select Zapier. Choose a Zap template from the list given. You can then choose a pre-built Zap template that meets your needs or explore more by clicking the plus sign. These templates are designed to automate common workflows, saving you precious time. Once you connect a template, select the action you want to trigger. KrispCall offers a variety of preset actions for different scenarios, allowing you to automate tasks like creating new contacts in your CRM and sending SMS or voicemails. The possibilities are endless. Choose one of these and you will be redirected to your Zapier account. Connect your KrispCall account by entering your API keys and secret keys and the app you are selected. In this case, we've selected Google Sheets. Now set the action and run the test. Imagine this. A new contact is added to KrispCall and Zap. A corresponding row is automatically created in your Google Sheets. This is the power of automation at its finest. No more manual data entry, just effortless organization. So, what are you waiting for? Integrate KrispCall with Zapier today. Contact our chat support for more information.